that is the real number. That is real number. So what you have studied in this chapter? Tell me one by one. Yes.
Euclid's Nelson lemma.
Euclid's lemma. Okay. What it says, Euclid lemma?
Given positive integers a and b is the exist of q integers q and r.
They are finding there exists another two integer, that is q and r. We can express in the form of a equal to bq plus r, where r is what is the condition? Where r is lies exactly, it is less than b and greater than equal to 0. Right? They may be asked the Euclid's lemma as the mathematical expansion, as and also the condition, if and if condition for the remainder. Then what you have studied after the Euclid lemma?
Euclid's division algorithm.
Yes, algorithm. What says algorithm? It's the same. Algorithm. So here, when you are consider the two composite number, we are finding their factors, or if any two numbers, we are finding their LCM and HCF of the given number by using the Euclid's lemma, that is A equal to BQ plus R, where R is less than equal to B and greater than equal to 0. Right? So if they will be given the two numbers, like 135 and 225, so how you can finding the HCF? What is the HCF of the given two numbers? How you are doing? Just tell me how you are doing this one. Finding the HCF of the given two numbers. Don't sit silently. Whatever you can say, we can't listen to that. Just tell me how you are finding the HCF of the given numbers 135 and 225.
Sir, only HCF and LCM.
Only HCF.
A is equal to 135.
Equal to
225.
You can
B equal to
express
135.
Then by using
A equal to 225 and B equal to 135. So in the table 135, the table 135, 225 is there or not, you are checking, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in the 135 table, 225 is there?
Yes, sir. Vanza.
Okay, nearest, that value is not there, but nearest value is there, 135. Okay, subtract that one. How much you are getting?
90.
90.
5 minus 5 0. Then 12 minus 3
90.
9. And here you are getting 0. So we can express this one in the Euclid's lemma. That is 225. I am written as the 135 into the quotient is 1 plus the remainder is 0. 90. And then by consideration of the remainder and also the divisor, we are finding the next process. Here r is not equal to 0, we can continue the process to finding the HCF. When you are getting r equal to 0, then the divisor is the HCF of the given two numbers. Okay, then 90 now divides 135. So in the 90 table, 135 is there?
No, sir.
No, sir. Vanza.
Za. Okay. Then 92 za 180 you are getting, I hope. So you are only take the 91 za 90. Then you can subtract now. Don't take carrying here as
45.
5. Then 13.
4.
4. Okay. So you are getting as the 0. So we can express this division method in the Euclid's lemma. That is, I am written 135 as 90 into 1 plus r is the 45. Okay. Then here r is not equal to 0, and what 90 is less than, or you can take in here as the 45 is greater than or less than is equal to the 45 is less than 90, then we can express in the form. Then we can divide here as the 45 divides 90. Then how much you are getting? 45 to za. How much is
2, sir.
45 to za 90. So you are getting remainder is 0. So I can express 90 is equal to 45 into the 2 plus the 0. Okay. So what is the HCF here?
Sir,
HCF of
45.
HCF of given two numbers 35 and 225 is 45. Okay. And then you can take one example regarding this one. 25 and 335. So tell me the HCF of this number. How much you are getting? Tell me. Just ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. You can do it. Don't sit silently.